So it's a little after 4 a.m. Was up doing some quote-unquote work. Stepped outside. And I just wanted to know, can y'all hear the birds at night? Now this is like a little after 4 a.m. Listen to this. You hear the machine running? They just turned off. This is every night. Not only the machine that they had running with a loud hum, but you can also hear the birds. The machine again. Sounds like a truck that constantly runs on the property. That explains a lot with the directed energy, and because I heard someone say before that if you walk around, you'll actually find the truck. But can you hear the birds? Have you noticed they've been chirping a lot at night? Stay powerful.